Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? Today, we are going to see how the coming week is going to be for you. So, we have three decks over here and three options. Option number one is this beautiful Four of Wands card. Option number two is this lovely Four of Wands card. And option number three is from the Everyday Witch Tarot, this amazing Four of Wands card. So you can select the tarot cards, the pile with the help of the tarot cards that are attracting to you, or we can use your date of birth option as well. There are date of births in this. I'll randomly pick up date of birth option. Now let's see if your date of birth is from 21 to 31, then pile 1 is for you. I'll keep it over here. If your date of birth is from 11 from 11 to 20, then pile 2 is for you. And if your date of birth is from 1 to 10, then pile 3 is for you. So you can select this weekly reading based on the tarot card that you're attracted to or your date of birth, or you can take three pieces of paper. In each piece write one pile number, that is pile 1 or pile 2 or pile 3. Just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the coming week is going to be for me. Pick up any one particular pile and then you one chit and see what number is given on that particular chit. So if it is pile 1, then you should check pile 1. So you can use either of the three methods to select your pile. Alright, so let's get started with your weekly reading. Hello group 1, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today we are going to see how your week is going to be. So if you've chosen this card because of this deck, or you have chosen this because of your date of birth, or because you got this particular pile by using the chit method, whatever it is, this message has found you. So when I look at this card, I feel that there was some sort of conflict going on in your family. That's what I'm getting. This card does not mean that. Okay. And this week, you're going to address that conflict. Now, let's see. Beginning of the week. Okay. I'll keep this aside. Mid of the week. And end of the week. All right, we're going to see your runes as well, your blessings. So the beginning of the week, you have got the Sun card. So definitely there will be a lot of joy, creativity, abundance, happiness happening in the beginning of the week. Some of you may travel or make travel plans. You are going to be full of energy. Be playful, be light, don't take things so seriously. Also, you will be there would be some you will be working with fire colors in some way. Maybe you'll wear it or you'll incorporate it in your life as well. The mid of the week, you got the Ace of Wands. Oh my god, this is also a fire element. So definitely there is going to be new beginnings happening in your life. This new beginnings is going to help you to have more action and adventure in your life. This is going to be around your career or your finances. I also feel this new beginning is going to fill you up with enthusiasm. Wow, that's good. The end of the week, my god, so much of fire energy, group 1. You have got the Six of Wands card. You're having an amazing week for sure, group 1. The end of the week, you have got the Six of Wands, which speaks about success, which speaks about blessings, which speaks about celebration, recognition as well. Just ensure that you keep your ego in check. When I look at your cards, the fire energy is a lot. So definitely a lot of growth, a lot of action, adventure. However, ensure that you keep your anger and ego in check. All right. You got Seven of Swords. It just kind of fell. Okay. So somebody may try to take advantage of this opportunity that life will give you. However, demarcate and don't allow them to take benefit of you unnecessarily. Okay. Now let's see the blessings coming your way. We'll also want to see your rune. Okay. So before I remove the blessing card, I have this webinar on Sri Hanuman, okay, and it's on 30th June. If you're not registered, you can register for the same. It's for 199 only. And then I have God Goddess Archangel Reiki workshop as well, which combines the life force energy and the divine energy and brings about huge changes. You can click on the link, or both the links are in the pinned comment. Let's see the blessing coming your way. Blessing number 1 is a blessing on protection. So even if somebody tries to cheat you, you are going to be safe and protected. However, you have to take action as well. Okay, that's the blessing coming your way. Let's see your yellow card. Changes that are going to happen in this week. Okay, trust and faith. Your trust and faith in the divine is going to increase this week. The rune that you have got is the Gebo rune, which talks about gifts and blessings. So this week, and your tarot cards are also saying the same thing. A lot of gifts and blessings coming your way. Ensure that you are staying hydrated, and since so much of fire energy is there, some of you may feel there could be a lot of heat that you may feel in your body. Okay, so stay hydrated as well. Now let's see what your book of answers are going to tell us. So think about what guidance you need. You may have to drop other things. So because of so much of action is going to happen in your life, you may have to drop certain things so that you'll be able to accommodate this in your life. All right, and now let's see the Wheel of Fortune. So think about a question, group 1, and let me spin the wheel for you. Jackpot, my God. Group 1, your rune, your Wheel of Fortune, your tarot cards are all indicating towards a jackpot and towards amazing week ahead. So make the most of it. This is energy. You have to grab this energy by taking action, by doing prayers, rituals, and by letting go. So do all of this so that things work for you. All right, group 1, take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. If you like the video, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel, and the webinar link and the workshop link are given in the pinned comment. In case if you're interested, click on the link. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello my lovely angels, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So you have chosen this beautiful 4 of Wands card, okay? And this is what, if your date of birth is this from 11 to 20, or you have chosen this particular deck because you loved it, or maybe use a chit method, whatever method you have used to choose this particular pile, understand this message is for you. All right, so let's see your message for the week. I feel that there has been some sort of disappointment or loss, okay, that you have faced, and with regards to personal life or home, and or maybe in general, and it has been eating you inside. Okay, the beginning of the week, the mid of the week, the end of the week. Okay, let's see your cards one by one. We'll also see your runes and your blessing and changes coming your way. The beginning of the week, you got the Ace of Wands. So there is going to be a new beginning happening in your life, and it's going to be filled with it's going to fill you up with a lot of enthusiasm and adventure. You are going to be like, wow, I'm so excited to start this. This will be bringing in that energy of newness, and it's going to get rid of the stale energy. All right. The mid of the week, you got the world card. So it looks like you may begin something in the start of the week, and in the mid of the week, it will lead to success and completion. Okay. And in the middle of the week, there will be success, there will be celebration, you will be kind of so happy. Some of you may take some sort of physical activity that will make you feel so free and alive. Some of you may travel or make travel plans. You may reach out to more people in the middle of the week. The end of the week, you got Five of Pentacles. So you may feel during the weekend insecure, or you may feel lost, or you will start feeling there's an ambulance at the sound at the background. So some of you may be busy healing your emotional wounds. Okay, at the end of the week, you may feel like, you know what, I need some support, I need some help, and the support and help will be available to you. Just go and ask for it or take it. Okay, so the beginning and the mid of the week looks really great. The weekend looks a little, wherein you will be a little low. Okay, let's see the blessings coming your way. Before that, let's see your rune. You have got the All G's rune, okay, which talks about protection, connection with the divine, and especially with the weekend. I feel that this connect, some of you may do a lot of rituals around connecting with the divine, and that can really help you to get that protective energy as well. Now let's see the blessing coming your way. So I have this webinar and workshop coming up. Webinar is on Sri Hanuman and workshop is on God, Goddess, Archangel, Reiki. Both the links are in the pinned comment. Have a look at it. That's the blessing coming your way this week. Wow, the blessing coming your way is prosperity. Okay, so it could be financial gifts, it could be opportunities that will lead to money. All right, but this prosperity is kind of going to help you feel so good. There could be some sort of money coming from international sources for few of you as well. Let's see the changes coming in your life in this week, coming week. Okay. Okay, we are not getting any more cards kind of popping up. I'll just pick up one. All right. First is travel. So with the world card, I am not surprised. Some of you may travel or make travel plans. You got decision making. So since the beginning of the week, there will be a lot of opportunities coming your way. So ensure that you are taking the right decision. All right. Now let's see what the Book of Answers is going to tell us. So whatever is going on your mind, think about it. And let me just remove. It's not worth a struggle. So if you're struggling with something, or there's something that comes up, understand certain things are not worth the pain that we go through. Okay, it could be a date that you have gone and you like the person, but the other person is not responding, and you still, sorry, my battery got over. So yeah, a lot of important decision making happening, travel plans happening. Now that's the changes. And we did check the Book of Answers, which spoke about it's not worth the struggle. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got a yes. So whatever question you have asked, the answer is a yes. Alright, group 2, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel if you're guided. And there's a webinar coming up on Sri Hanuman and also workshop on God, Goddess, Archangel, Reiki. If you're interested, click on the link given the pinned comment. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello my lovely angels, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. We are going to see today how your coming week is going to be. So if you've chosen this beautiful deck because you love this card, or you're chosen this deck because of your date of birth, let's see how your week is going to be. No matter what mode you have used to select this particular pile, this is meant to reach you. So you got this Four of Wands. So definitely I feel that you're going to celebrate with your friends. There would be some sort of get together, some sort of social event happening. All right, let's see the beginning of the week. The mid of the week, end of the week. Okay. The beginning of the week, wow, you have got the Empress card. So in the beginning of the week, there will be a lot of creativity, abundance, luxury happening. Some of you may do some luxury shopping as well. Mother and mother healing issues will be off focus. In the beginning of the week, you will also kind of work towards connecting with your higher self. Okay, that's what I'm getting as a message. The ones who have been trying to have a baby, you may focus more on it. Okay, some of you may receive good news around uh, a child, or um, regarding a love or marriage. Some of you, not all of you. Okay, but abundance, joy, creativity. I personally feel that mother healing issues will be a focus. If you have been having conflict with your mother in the beginning of the week, you may try to resolve it in some way. I also feel with this Empress card that there has been some sort of disappointment other around becoming a mother. So I'm going to kind of focus on that. Sorry, the camera just, the memory card had issues. Okay, so the middle of the week, you got the Page of Pentacles, so which means learning, knowledge, education is going to be of importance. There will be somebody young who may tell you some wise words. Listen to it and don't write it off. There will be some message regarding knowledge or finances as well. All right, the end of the week, you have got the Knight of Cups. Interesting, you got two court cards, so other people are going to be of importance from the mid till the end of the week. You got the Knight of Cups card, which means at the end of the week you are going to feel there'll be someone in your life who may take you on an emotional roller coaster ride, wherein at one moment you'll be very happy, at the other moment you'll not be so happy. Okay, so also your emotions are going to fluctuate. There will be some sort of proposal coming your way, but the proposal may not really have a lot of weightage to it. So don't just get flown away in emotional wave. When I'm looking at your cards, what I'm getting over here is that the week will begin with abundance, and you will learn a lot because of this opportunity that will come your way. Or maybe you will speak to somebody who is maternal, and a lot of knowledge or wisdom will help you to kind of go ahead in the middle of the week. However, at the end of the week, you're just going to let your head down and have fun, not really think too much. Okay, now let's see the blessing coming your way. Sorry. The blessing coming your way is a blessing for a fresh start. So if you have been feeling really, stuck, so there will be some new beginnings happening, and that will give you a fresh start. Something which was not working will start kind of working as well. You've got over here the rune Gebo. So gifts coming your way in this week. All right, let's see the changes coming in your life in this week. Okay, I have this webinar coming up on Sri Hanuman, and a workshop coming up as well on God, Goddess, Archangel, Reiki. You can just have a look at it. The link is given in the pinned comment. Take one more change card. Okay. So So the change coming your way is decision making, fun, adventure, and sports. So fun, I can get it from the Knight of Cups card. A lot of important decisions you will have to make, in especially in the beginning and the mid of the week. So ensure that you take the decisions with a lot of information. Let's see what the Book of Answers is going to guide us. So think about something. You must act now. So this, you need to take action. Okay, all this is energy. You need to take action and pray as well. Let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. Miracle. Wow. So whatever question you have asked, there will be a miracle. All right. Group 3, I hope you enjoyed the reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel if you are guided. And also check the webinar link. It is only for $199, Healing with Sri Hanuman. And there is a workshop coming up on God, Goddess, Archangel, Reiki. You can have a look at that as well. Take care of yourself. Lots of love to you. Have a great week ahead. Bye-bye.